I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and gathering parts: camera, PoE injector or adapter, Cat5e/6 cable, and grid access credentials. Once done, power the PoE injector but do not connect the camera yet. This prevents boot confusion. Make sure your network IP range and any DHCP reservations are planned so the camera gets a predictable address. You need physical access to the grid connection point and documentation for the camera's default IP. This saves time when you first ping and access the web interface. Once the camera is physically connected, you log into its web UI using the default IP. Change the admin password right away to secure the device. Next, decide on static IP versus DHCP reservation. Static IP avoids discovery issues, while DHCP reservation centralizes addressing. Configure gateway, DNS, and NTP so timestamps and remote access work reliably. Make sure to set grid-specific parameters if required: VLAN, CoS, or encryption. Finally, update firmware and enable only the services you need to minimize. You finish by confirming live video and adjusting camera angle and exposure, then save a configuration backup to recover quickly if needed. Test remote access through the grid endpoint and verify synchronization and latency under typical load. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting methodically. Check PoE voltage and injector LEDs, swap the RJ45 cable, and run a continuity test. Also inspect firewall and VLAN settings that may block the camera. If intermittent, monitor for packet loss. If persistent, revert to defaults and reconfigure step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.